Next, I would like to invite to the stage Mr. Yong, Director General of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO.
Honorable Minister Mansurov, Honorable Minister Al-Mansouri, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is a great pleasure to be here in Ekaterinburg, a beautiful and industrial city of Russia, to open the second Global Manufacturing Industrialization Summit. I just would like to thank our partners in the United Arab Emirates and the Russia Federation, who together with UNIDO have worked tirelessly towards making GMIS 2019 a reality. UNIDO greatly values the strong support from the United Arab Emirates, and I look forward to further strengthening our collaboration through GMIS and other endeavors, such as the UNIDO General Conference that will take place in Abu Dhabi from November 3rd and 7th this year. Similarly, the strong support of Russia Federation for UNIDO's activities is very much appreciated, and we look forward to further enhancing our collaboration in the years to come. Excellencies, colleague, friends, the fourth industrial revolution represents the convergence of manufacturing and digital industries. New innovations such as Internet of Things, 3D printing, wearable technologies, artificial intelligence, and many others can make the manufacturing more efficient, specialized, and scalable. These advanced technology can also help us meet the global development challenges identified in 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, its 17 goals adopted by United Nations member states in September 2015. And for instance, drone technology is already being used for precision agriculture and food security. In UNIDO projects, we are experimenting with Internet of Things technologies, optical recognition combined with artificial intelligence, as well as with augmented reality. These technologies can support implementation of SDG Goal 9 and promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. Advances in materials technology can make a contribution more sustainable. 5G can improve our communication capacity, and while manufacturing can become more efficient, more productive, and potential positive impact of the fourth industrial revolution can make mankind cannot be overstated. However, we must also be aware of the possible risks posed by these new technologies to prepare our policy accordingly. Given the high-income countries hold most of technological capital and infrastructure invest the most in research and development, there's a risk of increasing global inequality. And even in high-tech economies in global north, an increasing automation can lead to job losses for both unskilled and skilled workers. These risks must be considered if we wish to create shared prosperity in this new industrial area. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is only through the dialogue that we can build dynamic partnerships, show thought leadership, and deliver on the promises of the fourth industrial revolution. I just would like to stress that the fourth industrial revolution will affect everyone, and therefore, everyone must be listened to, and this is why we have created GMIS. GMIS is essential to a discussion on the fourth industrial revolution, giving its global scope, its high-level outreach, and its expert-led discussions. GMIS helps us in our aim to promote inclusive and sustainable industrial development worldwide, and thus to attain sustainable development goals. And one of the advantages of GMIS is that we can also bring new conversations worldwide, promote areas or sectors that may not be yet well known. Nature-inspired innovation is one such area. We understand this is a theme of this GMIS. Let me provide two examples. Firstly, researchers are studying the fins of the humpback whales to increase the efficiency of the wind turbines. Secondly, the properties of the fish scales are being harnessed to produce thicker protective gloves. Our hosts in Russia Federation are at the forefront of this emerging area of industrial development, integrating it in its national industrial strategy and convening several important international fora. We look forward to hearing more of the potential of nature-inspired innovation over the next 3 days. Colleagues, friends, UNIDO has focused on the 4 themes in particular for GMIS 2019. Industrial policy in the advent of the fourth industrial revolution, and circular economy for manufacturing, and women's entrepreneurship and empowerment in the context of digitalization. And finally, the regional approaches to the fourth industrial revolution. These issues will play a large role in how the fourth industrial revolution unfolds and the extent to which it will benefit all of us, benefit this world. Industrial policy has not disappeared. It may be more important now than ever before. For this reason, it is important to tease out many policy options open to the government. Similarly, achievements of circular economy will be revolutionized industrial production through the advancing economic gains while producing less waste emissions. Finally, women can be disproportionately affected by advances in manufacturing technology, given the large number of women employed in the labor-intensive industries. This is compounded by the smaller share of women and girls accessing education in the areas of science, technology, engineering, and mechanics and at the present. Colleague friends, given the varying development capacities, priority, and needs of the different countries, regions, regional approaches, reporting will also be important in the context of the 2030 agenda. I'm sure the discussion will be enlightening and reflective. I urge you all to listen carefully to our great panelists and to the participants in the discussion as much as you can. I really look forward to this great opportunity to accelerate progress towards a sustainable fourth industrial revolution. If we are to fully deploy fourth industrial revolution in pursuit to the sustainable development goals, your knowledge, experiences, and know-how will be vital. The partnerships that begins this week can provide the right dynamism, cooperation, and resources to work towards the world we want. And the old proverb states, a good beginning is half done, the half of the work. Let us make the beginning of many successful collaborations and the flowering of new solutions and innovative designs, and also carry out or carry forward our GMIS process, start from second one again. Thank you very much.